think I'm gonna sneeze. Phew. Oh. Phew. Wow. So strong. Phew. Wow. Whew. I didn't expect them to be that strong. Alright, let's try some more Chinky. I can still feel it in my nose. Oof, I do not need that much. Alright. Maybe I should take that much. Ooh. Oh my lord. That would not work at all. I'll try seeing nostril. Oof. It's got that smell. There it burns. I think I'm gonna sneeze. Bless me. Huh. It's not the only one. Oh, it burns. Try some more. I'm gonna try using more though. I've been using like a little bit. I've only been getting a little bit of sneezes, so. Oh yeah, when when I start sneezing this bad, my voice just starts getting all weird. I'm sorry. Yeah, let's try that much. Screw it. YOLO. I'm gonna try the other nostril too. Oh, sound like the neighbors playing more music, of course. Alright, fuck it. Let's go. Oh, it definitely burns a lot more. It's coming quicker. Oh. I'm gonna sneeze. It's coming again. Oh. It's teasing me. Oh. Call that one in a tissue. Whoa. Huh. Wow. that much, not even that much. I want to sneeze. Whoa. I'm gonna sneeze. Whoa. Whoa. Wow, these are coming out strong. Oh. Wow. I'm feeling one coming again, I think. Try blowing my nose. Huh. Maybe. Alright, one more. And I'm gonna get crazy. You know what? I'm gonna get really crazy. Whoa. It's coming. Wow. I'm gonna sneeze. Wow, that burns really bad. Come on, give me one more. Wow. If I can get some more out, I don't know. It's burning. I don't know if I got any more though. Alright, one more nose blow.